Alright, so it's been a little while since we've done a video. It's the 2024 Yukon. Should apply to the 2021 to 2024s. Just replacing the corner marker lights from the orange ones. We're going to go with these clear ones here. There's various ones available. It's a pretty quick, few-minute install. You're going to come in and turn the wheel, and we're going to remove the two screws here. They're T20s. We're going to pull this wiring harness off. There's a little red tab on the top that you got to slide towards the back of the connector, and then you'll push into the little tab and pull the connector back. And then in here there's these two white clips. You'll see like a little hump there that's sticking out at the top. Let's see if we can show you that right here. Right here. You're going to push that in and slide the clip up. Both of those are going to come out, and then the light's going to come out. Just to give you a little better look at these, how these work. It pushes in down there, push that tab, and then slide it up. It's a little cumbersome at first because it's hard to get your hand in there, but it's not too bad. And if you do break them, most of the lights do come with new ones if you need those. So then we're going to do that install, and this is our finished product. Looks a lot better on the vehicle. If you have any questions, just drop a comment, and appreciate you watching the videos. Thank you.